A lot of people always struggle with knowing when they can plant. And this is one thing that I know we struggled with a lot as well whenever we first started, because all of the seed packets always say like 2 to 3 weeks before your last frost or something along those lines. And every single time, it never failed. I had to look it up and like calculate out. I'm like, okay, now what is that date again? Where am I? What day am I supposed to be doing this? And yeah, so that is one of the biggest reasons why I always use our app, because it will pull from our closest weather station and it'll calculate out those dates exactly for you. So spring frost, it will go ahead and calculate out those dates directly for you. So it'll say, like in this image up here, it'll say January 22nd. So it calculates all of that for you and it takes the guesswork out of it. So amazing. So it's really important to make sure to start your seeds at the correct time, because you don't want them to be on both sides. You don't want them too small when you're trying to transplant them outdoors, and you don't want them to get too large inside and have nowhere to put them. So you want to make sure that they are the right size whenever you're going about transplanting them outdoors. So starting them at the right time is really important. And knowing exactly what the weather is going to be in the future too can really help as well, especially for things that are a little bit more sensitive, like tomatoes, peppers, those things like that. You really want to be looking at the weather. And if you weren't aware, there is actually a weather button in a weather tab in our app that can tell you what the weather is going to be today or for the week, and what the prediction is, and also time below, like certain temperatures that can be good for plants or bad for plants. So make sure you check that out.